All right, boys and girls, so we are going to discuss how to use the paragraph that we just read out loud or in our mentor text as a template for our own writing. So what I did, because it helps me to have the paragraph right next to where I'm writing, and you might be doing this in your journal instead, but it helps anyways to have the writing really close to you so you can refer back to it. So I just copy and pasted this on here. I'm going to say template because this is a paragraph. This isn't my writing, and then my writing is underneath. So let's look at the first sentence. When the temperature dipped below 40, iguanas started falling from the trees. So that's the first thing we're going to do. I'm going to think about a sentence or a scene, and really what we should first be doing is visualize the scene we want to describe. So, I'm thinking about, this isn't anything that happened to me personally, but I'm just thinking about football season. That's kind of where my mind is going. So my sentence is going to be, when the coach blew the whistle, the linebacker came right at me. Basically, you're going to say, when this happened, comma, this happened. When my brother started riding his bike, I couldn't help but want to push him. I don't know, that's really mean. I don't know why I said that. When I poured the coffee, I had to be careful because it was really hot. I am not thinking of good examples today. You guys are going to do much better than I am. But anyways, the first sentence should look like that. When this happened, comma, this happened. Okay? All right, next. The next thing you want to do is you are imagining that there's a person watching the scene happen. And you are going to describe everything that person is seeing, but not just like big picture stuff. You're going to zoom in, just like we did with the iguanas. So let's think of how we're going to zoom in. All right, so I went ahead and I chewed on this a little bit. I actually went ahead and changed my first sentence. I wasn't really jiving super well with the football image, and really I don't know anything about football. So I changed mine to running because that's where my mind goes a lot. And I knew it was going to be really, this is going to be a good topic for me to start with because I can visualize it really easily. So I changed my sentence to, when I put on my shoes, I knew it was time to run. Okay, now I'm in my spot. And these are, the next few sentences are me just describing it. I'm going to go ahead and read it and let me know how the scene that you're imagining. Our twisting tree-lined driveway led to the main road, filled with potholes and gray, watery mud. Gray like the sky and the clouds that sat low on the mountains where I was headed. My feet moved fast, dodging puddles, spraying gravel that stuck to my bare shins and soaking socks. Each step propelled my body forward and mud and debris behind me. Yeah, I like that better. Kind of makes me want to go on a run. The main idea is you want about this much writing. So let's go ahead and count our sentences. So we have our intro sentence, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have like 4 solid 2-part sentences describing just leaving my driveway. That's what we're looking for. We're not looking for describing a long timeline. You're zoning in. You're planting us there, and you are showing us. You're not telling us what you're doing. You are showing us. Got it? Okay, the main idea is that we're able to see the scene. So regardless of how you do that second part, that's what it should look like. Go ahead and practice. It might feel weird. You might feel topics that are, you're going to find a topic that might be super easy to write about, and you might start one and it might fall flat, and that's okay. Choose a different topic. Take it in another direction, try again. It's going to take practice. Writing is a skill that you have to practice, just like all the other skills. It doesn't, it's not magic. It's not like spelling. Spelling's a little magic. Anyways, good luck. Let me know if you need help, and let's try to do like 2 or 3 of these would be considered good practice. If you do more, that's awesome. All right, good luck.